Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I just have a few questions about your experience so far. Can you let us know how everything has been going with your sales manager and how your experience has been so far?
My experience has been excellent. The solar panels have been installed and all the electrical wiring has been completed. Several weeks ago, Wisconsin Public Service came out and inspected the wiring. That passed. About a half an hour ago, the Public Service came out again to check the power coming from the solar cells. But because it is an overcast day, there is no power coming. So he's going to come out again and check that.
Perfect. Now that you brought up the installation, can you let us know what that experience was like for you with the installers?
Oh, it was great. They were efficient. If they needed something, they asked politely. It could not have gone any better. I'd give them an A+.
That's fantastic.
And a star.
Perfect. Now, why did you choose to go with Greenhound Systems out of all of the other solar companies you could have gone with?
I don't know. It's just that you sent me the email and I replied and I sent you the information you requested, and that started the whole thing going.
Perfect. And would you say the whole way through you had great communication? If you ever have questions, perfect. Amazing.
I'm now waiting for the sunshine to come out and start generating electricity. And I'm supposed to be able to get an app for my iPad that I can monitor it. I have not received that yet.
Perfect. Well, we will look into that, and you did such a great job answering these questions for us and giving us your really great feedback. We definitely appreciate it.
Okay.